Always choose to do what is right even when it is not popular or easy. Ito ang payo ni Executive Secretary Ralph Recto sa higit 5,000 na pumasa sa 2025 bar exams. Ngayon ay makakausap po natin ang isa sa mga top-notcher na si Enrico Paggia. Magandang gabi and congratulations sa iyo, soon-to-be attorney Paggia. Hindi pa ba kayo considered attorney?
Hi Karina, good evening. Thank you for inviting me to your show. Actually, hindi pa kami considered attorney officially kasi kailangan pa namin mag-take ng oath namin and sign the role of attorneys. Then that is only the time when we can consider ourselves lawyers already.
Okay, so sobra ka bang nahirapan? Ano ba ang sikreto para pumasa sa bar at maging top-notcher pa?
Actually, Karina, sobrang nahirapan talaga. Siyempre, iba-iba naman ng circumstances yung mga bar takers. Pero ako personally, it was difficult waking up every day knowing you have to go through all these materials and see through it until the end. I think I had around 2.5 months of studying for the bar exams. So, very grueling talaga. Every day you really have to study kasi every day counts. So, ayun, masaya ako dun sa naging result. I'm really grateful na, syempre ang goal ko lang is to really pass. Pero nabigyan pa ako ng bonus ni Lord and nag-top 6. So, I'm really grateful for my family and my friends. Hindi ko magagawa yun kung hindi dahil sa kanila.
So totoo ba na kapag ikaw ay nasa top 10 ay napakaraming binabaha kayo ng mga offer mula sa mga law firms? At sabi nga pati nga ang Ombudsman's Office ay magre-recruit ng daan-daan mula sa mga bagong graduate.
Ako personally, Corina, wala pa namang nagre-reach out sa akin for offers, ganyan. For example, the ombudsman, wala naman. Although I'm already about to start, kumbaga nag-commit na ako sa isang law firm based in Taguig City. So, if ever may mag-offer sa akin na iba, syempre I will respectfully decline their offers.
Ayun. Naku, sinarado mo na yung pinto mo, ha? Malaki siguro ang offer na sweldo sa'yo dyan. Okay, handa ka na ba sa unpopular and difficult decision once you become a full-fledged lawyer?
Yes, of course. I think the nature of the profession really involves lawyers making these unpopular and difficult decisions. For me, as long as it's within the rule of law, within the bounds of law, yung decision naman na yun will eventually uphold justice and that decision does not unduly favor any person, then even if unpopular and even if difficult siya, of course, I'll have to be ready to make those calls and decisions.
So hindi mo na talaga naisip na pumasok sa politika? I mean, either run as a politician or work for a government agency?
Actually, Karina, I worked for a government agency in the executive department, the Governance Commission for GOCCs or the GCG. I worked there during my time in law school. Nag-work ako doon from my second year until my fourth year of law school. Then I took a leave to prepare for the bar exams. So,
Pero mas gusto mo ang pribado, ayaw mo ng government?
I think for now, Corina, yes. Mas prefer ko ang private. Siguro yung sinusundan ko lang na advice sa akin is you get the best training as a first-year lawyer, a first-year or second-year lawyer if you go to a private law firm. So that's what I did.
Ayan, okay. Well, magulo pero exciting ngayon ang sa gobyerno, ano? Tingnan natin. Ano ang maipapayo mo, huli na lang, sa mga hindi pinalad at yung mga future bar exam takers?
Ang mapapayo ko sa kanila is to stay the course. Siyempre, masakit yung hindi mo makita yung pangalan mo sa listahan kahapon. Pero, hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Kahit ilang beses mong i-take ang bar exams, pa pwede po yun. So, just keep on the work. Kasi the work will never stop eh. If your goal is to become a lawyer, the work will never stop. And the first hurdle to becoming a lawyer is to pass the bar examination. So, siguro magpahinga muna ng onte, process the emotions, but bangon na rin agad, assess what you're able to do properly during your bar review, but also, more importantly, go through those mistakes and hopefully sa next bar examinations, makorek na yon and baka yun pa yung maging susi sa eventual na pagpasa.
So, Attorney Pagya, itong nakikita naming umiiyak, sino yan? Yung mga hindi pumasa o yung mga pumasa?
I think majority ko rin na mga pumasa po yun.
Yun yung mga umiyak. Okay.
Yes, tears of joy po yun.
Okay. Hindi mo kasi masabi. Anyway, maraming salamat sa iyong oras, Enrico Pagya, ang top 6 sa Bar Exams 2025. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.